Mary Mackenzie, and I'm glad to be talking to you right now. I want to talk about my Facilitate NVC Groups course that starts at the NVC Academy in March. You know, I've been teaching this course for several years, and what I love about it is the empowerment that my students express at the end of it. This course is all about teaching you the nuts and bolts of what it would take to teach an effective, exciting, and interesting NVC course. Whether you're doing a one-session workshop or a practice group or a retreat, it doesn't matter. All of it fits in this course. It's all about personal empowerment, joy of the work, and effectiveness in developing your own work for teaching NVC to others. I hope you'll join me.